Things you didn't know about the Great Boston Molasses Flood Disaster. 1. It happened on January 15, 1919, when the steel tank of the Purity Distilling Company had exploded, causing massive damage that totaled more than $100 million in today's dollars. 2. During the 4 years it was in operation, workers reported hearing groaning noises every time the tank was filled with syrup, and it was well known that the structure was leaky, particularly for neighborhood kids who would collect and eat the molasses that oozed out of the tanks. 3. The molasses picked up everything in its path: carts, animals, houses, debris from an overhead train trestle. That's how lots of injuries happened. 4. It was a bad day for horses because there was a stable nearby. Half of them were killed instantly upon impact, and the other half was killed, shot by Boston police because they were so enmeshed in molasses they could never be extricated. 5. The molasses company tried to blame the incident on terrorists. But there was no evidence, so the judge ruled against the company and ordered it to pay millions in damages.